Hello everyone, welcome to another, and your presenter for this video is Daunga Tembo. And so first of all, I would like to point out that this is a new series that we are starting, and what we are going to start talking about here is Microsoft PowerPoint. And so welcome to the brand new series which will focus on Microsoft PowerPoint. And for PowerPoint, this is also an extension of Microsoft Office that allows you, the user, to make presentations. So this is the main thing that you'll be using this for. If you want to make a presentation and you want to put on some slides and put in short notes for people to easily grasp what you're talking about and even help you create talking points, you use Microsoft PowerPoint. And also in Zambia specifically, I would say we haven't tried anywhere else, but for Zambia specifically, most of the universities and most of the lecturers in most of these universities distribute their notes using slides. And so this will come in handy when you as a student have been asked to make a presentation, and even when your lecturer sends notes to you, they come in Microsoft PowerPoint form. And so first we are going to explain on how you can open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can do that by going to your search bar below here, and you are going to search for it. But since it's on my previously searched, I will just click on it and wait for it to open. And so this is what happens when it opens, and we are just going to close this, and you'll see that there are various ways you can put in your slides, but we are just going to go to the blank slide because this is a presentation. So now that we have opened our blank slide, you'll see there are various tabs that there is. So there's the file tab. The file tab, this enables you to open, if you want to open a new document, the information about the document, if you want to save, you want to print, you want to share, export and close. All this is done on the info tab or the file tab. And there's the home tab, which has everything, where there's the clipboard here where you can cut and copy, and you have this ribbon here which has to do with the slides. So for Microsoft PowerPoint, you will be dealing with slides. As you can see, this right here is a slide, and you will type these things in your slide. So yeah, here if you want to add a new slide, if you want to change the layout of the slide, if you want to reset this, you can do this after you have made some changes, and you can reset it to the default settings just as it says there. And you can add a new section to your slide if you need to add a new section. And then this ribbon here reminds us of Microsoft Word. So just as it is in Microsoft Word, this helps you change the font. You have the different fonts, the size of the font, if you want to make it in bold, italics, you want to underline, and if you want to shadow your text, and if you want to increase the font and decrease the font, the color of the font, if you want to change the case, if it's going to be in uppercase, lowercase, or only first letter capital, first letter uppercase, you can do all that from here. And you go to the paragraph ribbon. This helps you with alignment, so you can change the text direction, you can align your text, and you can convert it to smart art. This helps with designing and designing and make your slides visually appealing. And so if you want to make lists, if you want to have a numbered list, and this is the alignment of your text, if you want it to be all on the left side, if you want it to be centered, if you want it to be the right sided, or if you want it justified, you can do all that from this paragraph ribbon. And if you want to now draw or insert your Shapes, you can do it from this drawing ribbon, and there are various ways. So you can put in shapes, you can arrange, you can make quick styles drawing with your cursor, and you can shape the outline, and you can do the shape effects, and all that is done here. If you need to extend, you can do that, and you'll see that the various options on the sidebar appears, and now you can do everything. And the last ribbon here is your find, replace, and select. And aside from that, we also have various tabs where you can insert. This is the insert tab. You can insert many things. You can insert pictures, shapes, charts, tables. You can even insert a new slide. You can put headers, footers, equations. You can even put a video and audio also. And this is what's also different from Microsoft Word. In your design tab, you can put in the designs for your slides. You can change the themes. As you can see, yeah, you see that the way it's changing, and you can also make variations. And also on your transitions tab, you can actually edit how your slides will change. So when your slide is transitioning from one to another, you can make it cut, you can make it fade. This is when you're doing a slideshow, of course. You can push it, you can swipe, you can split, and all these things you can be done when you are creating your slideshow. So you can also add animations here. These are ways of designing your PowerPoint, and all this will be covered throughout the series. And you can also put in a slideshow, just as I was saying. You can make a slideshow and you just put it in, and they will be switching after some time without you actually pressing anything. And you can also review, where you can check the spelling, thesaurus. You can even do the smart lookup. You can even translate, put various languages. You can put the comment, you can show the comments, compare, and do so many things. And views, this is where you can change the view of your slide. So you can make it to normal, or an outline view, or slide sorter, or notes page and reading view. This just helps you view your PowerPoint document, and you can change according to your liking. And this is a format. This comes after you insert something, so it's usually it's a drawing tool tab that emerges after you insert something. If you put in a shape, if you put in a picture, this helps you format. And so that's it for Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you need any more videos and to get in detail, please like and subscribe to D Access, and we are going to help you out with the videos, with the way to do certain things on Microsoft PowerPoint. Other than that, thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe, and goodbye.